Hello everyone, welcome to project session 5, the designing of attendance register interface. In yesterday lesson, in session 4, we have learned that how we can save our project in micro enabled workbook so that we can use our project code at any time whenever we required. So today we will start our project from the detail. So let's start with the session. So as I told you that yesterday we have saved our project with the name of BBA attendance register. So I will open the save workbook. It is already in my computer desktop. You will see we have BBA attendance register micro enabled workbook. So I will do the double click on this file. So you will see when I double click on this file, so automatically a message is coming on my screen. It is called welcome to the BBA faculty student attendance register. This message we have stored in our BBA workbook yesterday, but today and after that we have done this work that whenever I will click on OK button, my form will be displayed in the screen, and when I click on close button it will be gone and message will come, thank you for the attendance. So now in today's session we are going to design the front interface of our attendance register. To perform this task, first of all you will go to the developer tag. In the developer tag, click on Visual Basic and you will see in the project explorer your previous files are saved which you have designed yesterday, and by default when I loaded the workbook file I am seeing the coding of my close button. So but we are not going to work in a close button, so let's make it close, and we are going to work in our form today. So we will select our form first. So double click on the form which you created yesterday. So this is our form, and today if you want to create the interface of attendance register, so first of all we have to create the user form as I already told you in my previous lesson. Today we are going to use the frame in this form, and we will learn that what is the use of the frame. So the main use of the frame is it will install the other components and other tools, and you can move all the other tools with the help of frame. Like if you want to move from one place to another place, there is no need to replace the tools one by one. You just put all the tools in the frame tool, and then you will easily drag and drop everywhere. So now I will use the frame tool here. So let's select the frame and simply draw a frame here. So let me draw a frame here. You will see this frame panel is coming here. Now what I will do is I will adjust. If you see the preview right now, you will see frame is not properly adjusted. So first of all we will adjust this frame. So what we will do is we will select the frame and we will go to the property window. In the property window, first of all I want to delete the frame caption. So let's make it delete. Okay, then after I want to adjust his height and width. So let me give the width here. So width is same like our form width, so I will give here 900. Yesterday we selected 900 for our form, so here also I am selected 900. Now I want to adjust the height of our frame. So let's take the, I think 30 is enough. I think we will take it almost 90. 90 is also too much, so let's make it 60. So yeah, this is the standard frame right now, but I think I have done some mistake here. So let's see what is the mistake. Let's play this program. So you will see our form width is decreased. So simply what I will do is I will go to my form and I will increase its height again to 500. Okay, so now I will come, now select your frame. You will see now frame is selected, and now I am making his height almost 60. That will be a standard height for our register. Now after this, if you will see, play your program, so you will see this time your frame is completely set in your user form. And now what I will do is I will change the color of this frame. So simply I will go to the back color, and from here I am selecting a different pattern for my frame. So let's take some other pattern color here. So we can also provide the border style to our frame also. So we will select the border style from here, single style. So now you will click on play button and you will see how your frame look like. So this is the frame which is set in our user format. So now after this, once you set the frame, now our frame is set. So after doing the setting of the frame, we will create our main parts which I want to display in the attendance register. So I want to show the student number, I want to show the student name, I want to show the student ID, and I want to show the student course. So for this thing, first of all we will select a label. Okay, so let's select a label first and draw one label. Okay, so here we want to display the student name, and then I will create, if you press the control button, you can copy this same label again, and you can create a label here like this. This is another label for student ID. Then after that I want to display the student name. This is student name, and then after I want to display the course register, in which course student is registered. So I have taken the 4 label here. This is label 1, label 2, label 3, and label 4. You will see in the property window, you will see when you click the label, it will display his name and his caption property here. So what I want is, what I will do is I will select all the label, and then I will click on font, because I want to highlight my things in a good text format. So I will select the Times New Roman here. I will select 12. Okay, let's give the standard size 12 and click OK. Now what you will do is we will change one by one the caption property of all this label. So first of all, let me click on label 1, and now what I will do is I will change its label name. Let's say serial number. So I will write SN. Okay, and I will change its name property also. So it is a label, so it will write LBL student, or you will write here, you can say, if you want to give the LBL number 1. Okay, it is number 1. Now this is student, again you will give the name here. So it is an ID, so you will write as student ID. Okay, student ID 1. Okay, or you will write student ID also. If you don't want this, then you will write student ID. Okay, then if you want to give the student name, so here you will write student name to change the name property. Okay, you will see the label property is not changed because I have only changed the name function, which is basically used for the programming purpose, but we have to display the field here, so we have to change the caption property. So go to the caption and change here student ID. Okay, here I am writing ID. Then after I want the student name, so you will write student name. Okay, then after I want to display the course, in which course student is registered. So it is a course, but you have to give the name field also. So you will see we have given the student name, but to course we have given nothing. So here you will write student course. Okay, so this is student course. We have set all the fields here properly. Now what I will do is I will select all the label and I will go to the alignment. So I want alignment should be in the center. Okay, and then what I want is the border style should be single. So let's give the border style. So border style is none right now, so let's make it single. So now you will play the program, so you will see how your label is display in the front of you. Now click on close, come back to the sheet. Okay, now what I want to do is I will, after that, these fields are display in your project. Once again we will again cross check that whether we have given the right name to our field. So it is label number 1. Okay, we have given the label num1. Then to represent the student name, we have given the name student number. Okay, student ID. Then we have given the student name, and course, better you will write here student code. okay, in which course code he will be registered. So in this way we have designed our 4 labels here. Now what I want to do is, let me adjust the width of this frame so it will be looks good later on. So I adjusted the frame. Now let's set it properly. Okay, now adjust the frame again. So now it's looking good. So click on play button, so you will see it is properly adjusted. So in this video we have learned that how we will use the label. So the remaining interface we will continue in the next lesson. Please keep watching. Thank you very much.